Hello, today we are going to see arrow functions. I'm going to transform these three functions into arrow functions. You can find these three functions in the description of this video. So let's start by transforming the first one. So I will do var sum2 equals to a b and arrow syntax and do a plus b. So this one is transformed, and to call it you can do sum2 and pass arguments there 6 and 9, and here you are calling it. Let me just print 2 so you can see it very well. And let me go to terminal, new terminal, and do that arrow functions dot, press enter. As you can see, the sum is 15. So let's transform the second one. I will do var is positive. Here we are checking if a number is positive. It's positive 2 is equals to value, then the arrow, and let me just take this and paste it here, and this is transformed to an arrow function, and to call it you can take this and put this here and do this 8, and here you can check if a number 8 is positive. So you can run this again and it will work. As you can see, it is true. 8 is positive. And the last one, void say hello, and we print hello my friend, we can do var say hello to equals, and do this, the arrow function, the arrow syntax, and let me copy this and paste it here. Print this. Let me just comment this, and this is transformed into arrow function, as you can see. And let me just do say hello to and save this and run this. As you can see, say hello my friend. So this is it, and this is for today, and you can see my other videos on that, which will help you if you like Flutter. Those videos will help you to know more, and I will see you in the next video. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Peace.